Hi friends, welcome to Tips from Stella Wellness. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. Also known as lady's finger, okra is a green flowering plant that belongs to the same family as hibiscus and cotton. The vegetable has not been given so much attention, but it is very rich in potassium, magnesium, folic acid, calcium, vitamin B and C, fiber, and lots of other nutrients. I will leave a full nutrient profile at the end of this video. Okra contains mucilage, the slime you see when it is cooked, which contains exopolysaccharides and glycoproteins. This is a major contributor to the benefits the vegetable has, so let's dive into these benefits. Number 1, fighting against diabetes. Several studies have shown that okra may help alleviate diabetes and its effects. It is rich in dietary fiber, which promotes better glycemic control and also provides insulin sensitivity. In addition, okra contains myricetin, a flavonoid which was found to increase absorption of sugar in muscles of rats. Even though most of these studies were performed on animals, roasted okra seeds have been used successfully to treat diabetes in Turkey for a long time now. Number 2, aids and promotes proper digestion and weight loss, mainly due to its fiber content. Okra helps with digestion, keeps you feeling full for longer, and helps to cut out on hunger cravings. Number 3, in addition to aiding digestion, okra prevents acid reflux, constipation, and promotes release of toxins from the body due to its mucilage content that gives a laxative effect by lubricating the large intestine. Number 4, treating and preventing ulcers. Consuming okra can promote healing of stomach ulcers by coating the walls, which prevents the action of H. pylori, the bacteria responsible for ulcers. Number 5, it protects the heart from diseases like atherosclerosis and stroke. Okra lowers cholesterol levels, prevents clogging of arteries, and also inhibits fat production in the body. This is due to its high fiber content, especially pectin, the fiber that modifies bile juice production. Number 6, okra has anti-stress and anti-fatigue effects. According to a 2015 study, okra pods were found to improve recovery times and levels of fatigue in the body. Another 2013 study demonstrated that okra contained antidepressant properties, which may be helpful for people suffering from depression. Number 7, it is healthy for pregnant and breastfeeding moms. Okra contains folic acid, which is an important nutrient in the first 12 weeks of pregnancy for preventing fetal problems like spina bifida. In addition, the vitamin C in okra is essential for maximizing iron absorption as well as improving breast milk quantity in breastfeeding moms. Number 8, it fights against cancer. Okra is said to reduce the risk of all types of cancers, but most especially breast and colon cancers. Okra contains a protein lectin that was used in a 2013 study to treat human breast cancer cells and was found to reduce cancer cell growth by 63% and killed 72%. In addition, lack of folate has been linked to increased risk of cancer, especially breast, pancreas, cervix, and lung cancers. And the vegetable has high amounts of the nutrient. In addition, because okra has laxative effects, it helps in reducing the amount of time toxins are in contact with the cells of the colon, reducing the overall risk of colon cancer. Number 9, fights against osteoporosis and promotes blood clotting. This is due to its high vitamin K content, which increases calcium absorption by the bones and also prevents excessive bleeding. Okra also contains a moderate amount of calcium with about 8% of the recommended daily value. Number 10, it protects the liver against damage. The liver is one of the most hardworking organs in the body. It goes through a lot working to get toxins out of the body, and okra protects the cell membranes of the liver from damage by free radicals. Number 11, it boosts the immune system, improves vision and skin health. Studies show that okra is full of antioxidants like vitamin C, A, which support and strengthen the immune system, improve vision and prevent cataracts, as well as prevent damage and aging of the skin by environmental factors. And lastly, okra increases natural lubrication. Though there are no studies to prove this, many people swear by the ability of okra to increase wetness during intimacy. And moving on to how to consume okra, there are many ways you can consume okra, including eating it raw, but the best recommended include: number 1, okra water. You will need 3 to 5 fresh okra pods depending on the size, and 1 cup of water. All you have to do is to slice the pods into smaller pieces, add them to a clean sterile jar like a mason jar, add the water and let it sit overnight, then consume the water the next day. Number 2, by roasting. Season about 20 pods of okra with olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, and roast in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Let it cool and enjoy as a warm snack. And number 3, you can also add okra to your salads, soups, stews, sauces, and even your omelets. And finally, here are some precautions to note while consuming okra. Even though little research shows the negative effects of okra, the following may be possible. Number 1, if you are prone to kidney stones, be careful with consuming okra because it contains oxalates, which increase the risk of the condition. Number 2, if you have diabetes, be sure to talk to your doctor first before using okra, as it may lower the effect of metformin. Number 3, you may be allergic to okra if you have allergies for plants of the mallow family like hibiscus and cotton. Number 4, okra contains high amounts of fructan that can induce diarrhea, cramps and bloating in some people, and you should avoid taking it if you have irritable bowel syndrome, IBD. Number 5, and lastly, if you have any bleeding disorders, contact your doctor first before consuming okra. And that is just about it for today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Let us also connect on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. Don't forget to subscribe for more and hit the bell button so that you receive new video notifications. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video. Bye bye.